Well, 2020 shaped up to be the best, worst season ever. What I mean by that is we all ended up shooting turkeys this year, but the season was frustrating to say the least. We hardly heard any gobbles all season. His never gobbled the whole time. We just happened to see him in a field and circled around and got into him. But anytime we did hear some gobbles, we ended up capitalizing on them. So my hunt happened the day after Mother's Day. It was on a Monday.
I'm where I lost my release yesterday. Where I had that one going the other day, and I'm set up pretty perfect. He's on his way, I think, as long as he doesn't get hung up here. So, with any luck, I'll get him within bow range. Put an end to this sloppy mess of a hunt. Feel pretty good about it. He's gobbling his head off right now, as long as some hens don't take him away. I got another one coming. The other one kind of worked off. I don't know if there's hens with it or what, but I got another one coming this way. It doesn't quite sound like the same one. Might be a Jake, I don't know. But he sounds like he's coming. He was really far away. And he just gobbled, and it sounded like he got a lot closer, so. Holy smokes. That's awesome. Well, I don't think I got the shot on. I don't think I got the shot on video, but I've been working these birds all morning. I finally got the hen to come by. So, I'm out of shape. That was a good morning. I lost my release yesterday when I came here, so I didn't even get to sit and listen. I was looking for my release all morning. I made a perfect shot on him. 30 yards. Thank goodness. Thank God. It was awesome. About inch spurs. Got a good beard on him. 9-inch beard. Camera started tilting down. Got a 9-inch beard, inch spurs. I'm in New York. It's the first turkey of the season for One Track Mind. And obviously I'm in my work clothes. I was supposed to be at work probably 2 hours ago. But when you got birds gobbling, it's kind of hard to leave them. So I'm gonna get a tag on them, and I'm gonna maybe take some pictures. That's a big bird, dude. go get them.
Nice one.
Boom. Nice calling, bro. Oh my gosh.
Jacob.
He's got like a 4-inch beard.
Nice.
I'll take him.
You got 2 tags, right? Hold out for one or no? What do you think, bud? Cool. Did you like coming with us? How come when everybody else goes hunting, they shoot one and then you can't get one?
You don't want it to be over though, you know? Oh man. I wasn't sure if I was gonna get him.
Well, Bray, you don't have a tag for New York, that's why you're not hunting, right? Well, that was worth it.
That's got a lot better than I was expecting.
Got some sweet footage.
They were so far away. 2-year-old probably.
Yeah, probably the same age as the one I shot. Same size spurs. Nice.
He is a big bird, man.
Yeah, dude, he's got a bigger beard.
6 inches.
That's not bad. Heck yeah, dude.
That's why when I saw him, I'm like, oh, that's a pretty good sized bird.
Well, you want to do your little interview?
Oh.
You'll grab it. You can take it. Want to take it over to the blind?
Act like you've been there, Dor.
Try to shoot one now.
We can cut it, start it whenever.
Got out here this morning a little bit later than we were anticipating, but plenty of time to get some gobbles going first thing off the roost. Heard at least 3 birds. I thought they were pretty far away, but old expert Jason here is like, no, we're good. And he was right. Got on the call. They're gobbling, but we couldn't really tell if they're gobbling to us or not. And then this one started getting closer. He was coming out of range. He was probably like 35, 38. Jason threw a call out the back, and he kind of turned and shifted back our way. He's about 32, 33. Made a shot. Smoked him. Best morning I've had all year. It's been a rough year at times. But then it happens this fast. It's awesome.
What do you think, Ray? Thumbs up? Thumbs up.
He's like, Dad, I should have shot that.
We'll get you one, bud.
Keep going with your dad, you'll get one. Get that, cut that footage.
I cannot believe I made that shot. Fox 37, baby.
Oh my God, man, girls, that's a nice one too. Good job, man.
Holy shit.
Watch the language for the people at home.
Well, we can bleep it out.
Oh my God.
Finally. Finally. Oh man, I didn't think I was gonna get a shot at him. I was like,
gonna let this thing get out of there.
I was like, I just gotta take a whack. I aimed a little high with my 30, but
You smoked him. He did.
he did.
Oh, buddy. That's a long time coming there.
Oh,
Heck yeah, man.
that's a rope, buddy. You killed a nice one.
All right. Well, the first longbeard I actually got a shot at. Had a lot of practice on Jake's. No more Mikey Missy today.
That was awesome. I knew as soon as we saw that. I'm like, he's alone. He's looking for hens. He done.
Oh, thanks, man. Jeez, oh man. Yeah, buddy. You get me diving out of the blind?
Oh yeah. Well, it was a little zoomed in. I don't know.
Well, we're gonna have to trail back as I lost my rangefinder, I think, along the way.
Dude, that is a rope, buddy.
Yes. Heck yeah, man.
10-inch beard. Good. See spurs.
Yeah.
Inch, still an inch. I mean,
Yeah. Oh, dude, I am not gonna complain
awesome, buddy.
at all. Finally. Yes. Now let's see if I can find my $300 rangefinder. There it is. All right, the hunt is complete.
It's something. The bomb went off and that's something. Good job, buddy.
All right, come on, baby. Jeez, oh man.
Now you can sleep in if you want.
I think my bow is feeling like it was like, oh man, maybe I better do something here because he's already looking at other bows. I said that on the way up. I'm like, well, son of a gun better redeem itself, make me think twice.
Yep, you got her done, man. Good job.
I almost crapped myself. I was like, holy crap, he's flopping. I got him. I better get out of here and go get him.
You about, yeah.
I was like,
your arrow connected and you're like, what? What do I do now?
what's that? Oh, I must not have been aiming right.
Awesome, bud.
Oh, Minga. Hello?
You get one?
Unbelievably. Finally,
Good.
I got one.
Well, get a good picture of them.
I will do that, Dad. I love you.
All right, good job.
Thanks,
Go ahead.
Dad. See ya.
Got a couple tail feathers there. Shot off.
Whoops. Hey, I'll take him, man. It's been a weird season. This is what, my probably third or fourth year turkey hunting. I've had several shots. I don't know how many, and just never could get the job done. And most of them were Jake's. I think I shot one that was had a decent beard and missed, and I was pretty upset actually with that. But you know, turkey season's just, you know, a different kind of hunt. Jason said it before too. It's just one of those fun kind of deals. You know, you get out and have a good time, and it's not quite the grind that, you know, whitetail hunting is. So, you know, came out this morning and went over to our spot where we, you know, knew there was a couple birds. Once again, heard nothing. Kind of drove around a little bit, tried to call. Jason had to take a pit stop real quick, and usually that's a good sign for hearing him. So we came up to the top of the block and basically called a couple times and thought we heard one, and just kind of drove back down the road a little bit, and lo and behold, he crossed the road right there while we were in the truck. So we waited till he crossed and hopped out, and Jason picked the safe route to kind of go in and maybe cut him off, and got in and set up and called once, and he was coming. called again, and he was right there, and looking, and here he comes, popped out and got drawn back, and Jason went to stop him, and he kind of just started to scoot off, and I thought wasn't going to get a shot, and he goes, "You better shoot pretty quick," and he said 40, and I aimed a little higher than I would have with my 30 pin, and boom, smoked him, and that's all she wrote, baby.
Got him. Oh. Grab him by the neck. Grab him by the neck. I'll get it. Good job. Last day. Are you happy? Nice, buddy. Good job. Dude. High five. You're the man. You're a killing machine, dude. Good job, buddy. Grab your hair. You got it. Nice. You the man. Can't believe it, dude. Last day. That's what I'm talking about. You smoked them, buddy.
Yeah.
My battery was dead in my GoPro.
What GoPro?
The other camera. Nice. Okay, bud. Do you want to do an interview like all the other hunters?
I don't know what that is.
Like talk about the hunt and how long the season was, and you didn't hardly see anything. You want to talk about it?
No. No. No.
Okay, I'll just move your lips without making noise, and I'll pretend like I'm your voice. Okay, ready? Well, move your lips. Well, it was a long season, and we hadn't seen much, so we just finally saw these ones in a field, and we started calling, and here they came. There. Dude, give me a hug. Love you, buddy. Good job. Okay. I'm gonna sit down and we'll take a picture of you with your kill. Okay, hold on. Okay, let's see you carry it, big man.
Heavy.
Huh?
Heavy.
Are you gonna make me carry that?
What? I can't. Too heavy.
Pick it up and put it over your shoulder, man. Thing's almost as big as you, buddy.
How to wake this kid up. Only kid I know who can sleep through an alarm. I think maybe a gobble might wake him up.
Nice.
Where did you get that?
There you go, Stins.